What's up, guys? Welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt, and today we're getting a little bit more nostalgic. We've looked at a few retro gaming style things, USB Super NES controllers, USB Sega Genesis controllers, Bluetooth with analog stick SNES controllers, and those were really awesome. But today we've got something a little different. This is the Pandora's Box 5S. Inside of this box is an old school arcade style joystick and button two-player controller, but it has built-in over 900 games. I'm not exactly sure what games are on here. Hopefully there's some, maybe a list in here or something, but there's a lot. And it all comes from this. You plug this directly into your TV and you go. It says right there, hundreds of classic arcade games, super high video resolution, fluent game control experience, green low power design, top brand component and chipset. All right, let's just open this bad boy up. That is a footprint. That, wherever they had these cardboard boxes sitting, somebody stepped on it. Oh man, it's packed full of stuff. Okay, so it looks like we've got some extra buttons. Two white buttons, very cool. Oh, we got a VGA cable, so it is VGA, but it's also HDMI. We got a big, fat, long HDMI cable. That is a must. So I don't know if you can get it in like different styles or whatnot, but this is not the one that we have. Oh yeah, Ryu looks awesome. Oh man, look at this thing. That feels legit. Oh my God, this thing is sick. Boy, that's really on there. Oh man, that looks good though. Dang, that looks good. That is so clean, except the parts that aren't. All right, well, I did the best I can. There's still a couple little pieces under there. The only way to really get rid of that completely is to pop the keys, but I'm not gonna do that. So you got Ryu, and it looks like just like a thick plexiglass. Pretty heavy duty though. So on the back you got your power switch, you got your power port, HDMI out, VGA out, audio, volume, so that's gaming configuration. I guess you change that depending on the game. And then you got USB ports. Now I'm not sure what the USB ports are for. Oh, there's a hinge here. This thing is meant to be opened. You know what? I think we're gonna have to open it. So it takes 3 screws to open this thing up. Get the iFixit kit out. All right. Oh, snap. Oh, so it's got LED lights, so this whole thing lights up. How about that? There's a fan over here on this side to keep everything cool. On this side, you've actually got a speaker, so I'm guessing the volume control in the back is for the speaker on here. Oh, the lights look awesome. I hear sound. Whoa! Does that volume work? It does. Okay, so the volume controls the speaker on here. So you don't even need speakers. I mean, you can plug them in, but you don't need them. This looks epic. Oh, wow. Okay, so here's the menu. Oh, man. Wow, this looks like it's really well done. It even gives you like a view of the game when you're selecting through. That's pretty cool. Jackie Chan, what? There's so many games on here. Jackie Chan 2. I didn't know Jackie Chan had arcade games. What is this? Come on, Jackie. I know you're watching. What is that? Jackie Chan's not watching this. King of Fighters. Oh my goodness. They have Metal Slug. They have the original Mortal Kombat. Oh my God, this is so classic. The Rock actually has a movie coming out called Rampage, and I think it's loosely based off of this. I know there's like a giant gorilla in it or something. RoboCop, wow. Oh, they have The Simpsons. Oh, so classic. Jesus, everybody hates me. You know, oh, come on. Yeah, yeah. You don't want it? You don't want it? Woo! Just barely. Look at that, they even have Super Mario. All right, I'm done. I can do this all day. I mean, for $150, it's got some pretty good quality to it. I'm kind of digging this. This would be really fun for like maybe a DIY project. Maybe if you don't want to do like a Raspberry Pi build, you could start off with something like this, slap it in a arcade box, and then this is all you need. I mean, this is pretty good. Keep in mind, the speakers that we're hearing is just from the one speaker coming out here. You can plug it in. You can plug speakers in right here. If you don't even have a TV, you just need an old monitor even. An old monitor, VGA. The game selection is really good. Over 900 games? 999 games. This is pretty good. I'm liking it. I'm actually really surprised because none of these seem like bootleg games. These seem like legit ROMs for these games. Anyway, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below as usual. If you're into the retro gaming and you like the arcade stick style stuff, anyway, that's a lot of S's. This is definitely a cool way to go. I'm gonna leave the link down in the description below. Definitely go check it out for yourself. But as for now, get out of here.